Hey, it's Ashley. Welcome back to another video. So today we are touring 3 different apartments located in North Dallas. So if you guys are interested in that area, definitely watch this whole video. The third one that we're touring today is my absolute favorite. If you're looking anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I've got you covered. Just feel free to fill out the form linked below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into these apartment tours. Okay, apartment number 1. As soon as you come in, you see the free coffee. Love that. This is brand new. I love the modern finishes here, and they have a little movie theater. So cute. They also have plenty of co-working spaces if you're someone who works from home and you just want to get out of your apartment to break up the monotony. You can definitely come down here and close the door, have your own little private space to do your work and take your phone calls. They have several conference rooms here. I think this one is the larger of the 3 or 3? Oh, 4. Okay. And then they have, so just some open space right here if you're someone who doesn't want to be cramped in a room. This is a pool. It's definitely giving resort vibes. So cute, so spacious. Lots of seating around the pool area as well. And of course they have grills, so if grilling is your thing, you could definitely come out here, especially now that the summer is coming to an end. It probably won't be quite as crowded. Okay, now let's come into the 1-bedroom model. This one's furnished, so it gives you an idea of where you can put your furniture, just a little decoration inspo also. I love the countertops here, and then they have the soft close. And here's the living room, pretty spacious for a 1-bedroom. Also has this one's facing the pool, so we have the sliding glass door with a lot of natural light. And then coming into the bedroom, it does have carpet. And here's the bathroom. Love how spacious this is. Walk-in closet and a walk-in shower. So you have a choice of a bathtub or a shower depending on which one you choose. Oh wait, I'm sorry, this is a 2-bedroom. So the second bathroom has a shower and a tub. So you guys just let me know which one you prefer. And after this, we're going to head into a vacant apartment, so you'll get to see how it looks without furniture. Okay, now we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom corner unit. And I love this one because of the view. So you get a full-size washer and dryer side by side. You also get built-ins right here, so you can pull up a chair to make this a desk. Or what I would do is have this as a display. Just put some beautiful little trinkets here to show off. Same with over here. Now you're gonna have a ton of space. It's a very open concept. Floor plan. Got this beautiful quartz countertop and the white finishes with the gray. So quite modern. You have the lighter colored floors also. And of course, what I love the most is this wraparound balcony. And let's take a look outside. So you have this man-made lake over here. I see someone running. So this is perfect if you have dogs. This is also an office building right there, right next door. So this area is gonna get you away from the hustle and bustle of the city life. We're still in Dallas City technically, but we're up north a bit. So here's the bathroom. Love this LED lighting and the walk-in shower. And of course the walk-in closet. Also has hanging space behind the door. Here's the bedroom, quite spacious, nice view. Coming around to the other side. Oh, this bedroom is even bigger. Let's see this bathroom. Okay, so you get 2 sinks in this one. And you have the bathtub for all you bath lovers like myself. And then of course you have the walk-in shower with the bookshelf. Super cute. Okay, so here's the Sky Lounge. You can see the trail. Someone's walking their dog actually. And here is the beautiful Sky Lounge area outside. We love the views, but also you get protection from the sun because it is crazy hot right now here in Dallas. So here's the indoor gaming lounge. They have, what is that, foosball? No, pool table. What's the other one? I can't remember what it's called. Not foosball. And then you can host parties up here. You can reserve the space. And here is the gym. Some things to highlight here are the 2 Stairmasters, and they also have a real squat rack with a bunch of other equipment also. Okay, heading to apartment number 2. This one is also new, but it's about a year and a half, 2 years old maybe. Still very well kept. And I love the finishes here, very unique with this green. Love the marble here as well. So this is sort of like a lounge when you first walk in. It's definitely giving, you know, a modern, beautiful appeal. So here is one of several lounges. This is where you can just hang out, you can do some work here, and it seems like it stays pretty quiet. I've been to this building a few times and I never see anyone in here, so it seems like it's a good area to kind of get away if you want some peace and quiet, or if you want to hang out, watch the game, watch a movie. You can do your thing in here. And oh, here is the game room that we're about to go into next. I know a lot of people love to play pool. So if you're one of those people, you would love this space. Okay, now we're heading to the pool. It's not quite as spacious as the first one we toured. However, it still is like a very modern, luxurious vibe. And here's the mailroom. It's so pretty. Okay, here is the first side of the gym. However, there are 2 different sides. So this one's more of like a cardio area where they have the TRX. What? They have a moving rock climbing wall. It's crazy. I've literally never seen that before. And here's the other side of the gym where they have all the weights. So all your machines. Do they have a squat rack here? Yes, they do. Okay, awesome. I know that's like a big deal. I get a lot of gym girls and guys looking for that. And here's the co-working lounge. They were actually cleaning in there, which is a good sign. Shows that they keep the space well maintained and clean and sanitized. Okay, so here's where you can work from home. If you need some privacy, you know, they got the little rooms over there. Also free coffee and a free printer. Not that anyone really prints much these days. Okay, so now let's check out one of their empty apartments. This one I believe is a 1-bedroom. I'm about to find out. So when you first come in, you have your washer and dryer, a linen closet, and then the mudroom right there. Oh, I lied. I think this is a 2-bedroom. Yeah, definitely. This is very large. So you have the kitchen island, and also all of the apartments here are going to have the same color finishes. So whether you're in a 1 or 2-bedroom, they look pretty much the same in terms of the color scheme. It's going to be the same throughout. It's just the layout that changes. We have the LED lighting underneath the cabinets. Also plenty of outlets. So if you have your air fryers, your waffle makers, all of your devices that you want to plug in, you will not have a problem in locating an outlet nearby. Also have these built-ins right here. Not a real desk, but you know, just where you can put some things on display. This one is a corner unit also, so it's going to have the wraparound balcony. And if you guys watch my videos a lot, you'll know that the ones that are on the corner like this with a huge balcony are usually the priciest and the most sought after. So these tend to go very quickly. Okay, so now, oh, and as you can see, it does have hardwood flooring in here. However, it does have carpet in the bedrooms. So very bright and airy. And then you have the same finishes from the kitchen in the bathroom as well. This one has a walk-in shower and a really big walk-in closet that has built-ins as well. And now let's check out the other side of the apartment for bedroom number 2. I like how the second bedroom is on the other side, so you definitely get that sense of privacy. The rooms are not like right on top of each other. So here is bathroom number 2. They do have LED lighting around the mirror. I love that, especially if you're a girl who likes to get ready in front of the bathroom mirror. You'll have plenty of light once you turn that on. This one is also in a corner, so lots of light. And you have a walk-in closet, although it's not quite as big as the other one. Okay, next we are going, oh, what? Look at that refrigerator. That's cool, 4 compartments. Okay, so next we're gonna look at a furnished 2-bedroom model, just to give you guys some inspo, same fridge, same finishes, just how I told you in the first one. And you can fit a few chairs around the kitchen island. What do you guys think of the decor? Leave me a comment below. And we're gonna just check out this apartment while I put some music on. Okay, now last but not least, this is apartment number 3. It happens to be brand new. It is located in an area very close to major highways, but still kind of tucked away. So you have close access to things just a short drive away. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I really love the finishes in here. It's definitely the most modern looking, I would say. They have several lounges, and this is one of their co-working spaces. The day I toured, they were working on the golf simulator. However, it may be finished now, and that's something that I know a lot of people are surprised to see in an apartment building, and they absolutely love it. So here's a fitness center. I love this because it has 2 stories. And you can see the pool. They were still working on the pool, so I didn't get a chance to go out there and see it. But look at all this equipment they have. They have a hip thrust machine. You do not see that at very many apartments. So for all my gym girls who love it, this is a great spot for you if you're really big into fitness. And let's go up to the top floor where they have all the cardio equipment. Yes, love this. Okay, and here is their upstairs lounge where they have more spaces to work. Look at that little fireplace. It's so cozy. Here's the pool. The door was locked because they're still working on it, but it may be done by now. Okay, so here is the apartment. Look how cute this is. Do you guys love the white and gray? Because I definitely do. It has a built-in desk in this one. It's also one of the larger 1 bedrooms, by the way, so not all of them will have a built-in desk.